How to download Adobe InDesign for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your browser, search for Adobe Suite, and after that open up the very first link. This is where it will take you. Open up all the products of Adobe and search for InDesign over here. Then open up InDesign, and here you get this option of free trial. Simply click on it. Now select your plan accordingly, but since we are getting it for free, we don't need to select any particular plan. We can just select any of them and then start our free trial, and it is for 7 days. And if you fail to cancel up your plan within the 14 days, then you will need to pay the amount for that particular plan. So make sure that you cancel it up within the 14 days. If you want a heavy discount on it, then just simply click on student and teachers and get at least 50% or more than that discount quite easily. And you don't need to prove that you are a student or a teacher, just get it. And if you want it for free, this is the way, and this is the most legal way out there. There are no other legal ways to get it for free. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.